Hey guys, welcome back to our channel CA Made with Logic. So today in this video, I'll be going to say the strategy to deal with CA final SPOM law. Okay, so how to deal with this subject and how it is going to help you along with the IBS subject. Okay, there is a direct relationship between the CA final, SPOM law and IBS subject. Okay, so please do watch the video till end. Definitely this strategy will going to help you out, and even I'll be sharing the MCQ PDF file where you can get to know how to practice out the things. Okay, so do watch the video till end. So first of all, you have to be focused more on the relevant important section. Please focus on the word relevant. Okay, so there are total 400 plus sections are being given in the Companies Act, out of which approximately 70 sections will be there which are very frequently important and which are very frequently used. You have to identify that and you have to be focused on that. Okay, for that I am going to bring a separate video what are all the important section where you need to focus it on. Okay, then start solving case based MCQs. Okay, you can cover it from past RTPs and MTPs. Okay, I have already compiled everything. Okay, you can see it over here. Study that is case study number 1. We have taken it from MTP May 2021. Okay, likewise we have compiled it the entire thing. Okay, and moreover we have divided it with section number wise. Okay, we have divided chapter wise MCQs are also there and section number wise MCQs are also there. Okay, as far as my opinion, there is no requirement to practice section number wise MCQ, even though it is not required as per as my opinion, but still you can practice out if you have sufficient time. Okay, whereas we have covered all the case based MCQs and given references over there from which source we have covered it. Okay, so you just need to practice it out. Okay, since we all know that 2 marks MCQs will be tested and 50 questions will be there, so 100 marks it will be approximately. Okay, so this is how you have to practice it out, and then 80 percentage conceptual clarity is needed. Okay, so please do focus on the conceptual clarity, and there will be some 20 percentage remembrance part where you need to remember dates, or you need to remember how many number of directors need to be appointed for the LODR purpose or for the Companies Act purpose. So there will be some numbers or 2/3, okay, some 1/3 or 2/3. Likewise, you have to remember it. Only 20 percentage part which you have to remember it. Rest of the things you have, there is a complete conceptual clarity should be there. Okay, so don't be lenient with this subject. Okay, law, because this subject will going to help you directly with the IBS subject. You can check out November 24 exam paper. Approximately 8 to 10 marks is being tested from the law part, and there were direct question which were being tested from this part. Okay, law part they have tested it direct question. Okay, so it's very easy if you get the direct question and you know which concept they are testing it out, and you just need to search out that concept from the study material and start writing it out. Okay, so 8 to 10 marks is a bonus for you. So please don't be lenient with this subject just because it is just an MCQ. For don't prepare it for only SPOM law, even prepare it for IBS as well. Okay, along with that also. Okay, so 8 to 10 marks, I think so. Every attempt they will going to aim for, there will be a weightage of 8 to 10 marks in every attempt, law related weightage. Okay, so this will be direct question as per as my opinion. Okay, it will be very simple and direct question, so you will be able to handle and tackle it out very easily. Okay, so I hope you got this video, and this PDF you can get it out from our Telegram channel CA Made with Logic. The link will be given in the description box. You just check out the link, directly you will be getting the access of this PDF file. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked this video, and there will be a second part of the video where I'll be going to discuss the relevant important section which you have to learn for the SPOM law. Okay, so thank you so much for watching it. If you like it, do like and do share with your friends, and do subscribe our channel.